Sila na lang ba? Sila na lang ba pala, miss? Okay po. Ako po, miss. Okay po.
Ang chill ng buhay ko.
Cell wall of eukaryotic cells are simple, which are present in plants and fungi, while the cell wall of prokaryotic cells are complex, which are present in all bacteria and archaea.
What's the function of the cell wall?
What's the function of the cell wall? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
Function.
function of the cell
It provides the ano? Ano sabihin ko dyan? The cell wall surrounds the um cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane of plant cells and provides tensile strength and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress. It also allows cells to develop turgor pressure, which is the pressure of the cell contents against the cell wall.
What makes the plant cell if you will look, plant cell have a specific cell shape. It's possible because of the cell wall. What determines actually what's the shape of the cell of a plant is the presence of the cell wall. The cell membrane is elastic, so it allows substances to come in and out much the same way as the cell wall. However, the rigidity of the plant cell is due to its cell wall. Thank you, Francis.
Thank you, please. Wala na question! I love you, miss. Buti di man ako tinanong. Be, yung itlog ko, be, gumanon, be. Kasi natakot ako. Oh my God.
What's the function of the nucleus and the nucleus?
Ha? Kasi, dapat lang.
And
Oh my God, be, dapat ka-group kita, be. Dapat ka-group ko talaga si Sarah.
Hmm?
Dapat ka-group ko si Sarah para kami dalawa yung sasagot. Be, magtutulungan kasi tayong dalawa.
Ayaw ni Sarah.
Okay. Ayaw mo, Sarah. Okay.
Tanggalin
Sige.
na natin siya sa group natin.
Tanggalin mo na yung tang-ina. Nonchalant na nga, maarte pa. Hello?
Hoy, pag
Joke lang.
sino gagawa ng RRL?
Ako na lang siguro.
Okay.
ay wow.
Wala pa nga yung research. RRL ka na, tay? Putang inang to. Tagal-tagal pa. Ang tagal pa, te. First sem pa lang tayo, te. Magpaka-stress muna tayo dito. Oo. Parang pa. Hindi Ay, dalawa lang ba? Every strand?
Ewan ko lang, basta dalawa lang yung members mo.
Hindi ba tatlo?
Hindi ko lang.
I think tatlo ata eh. Kaya nga kami mag-ano ulit eh.
Hoy, may dalawa dong taong ABF.
Mga gwapo pa naman yun sa ABM. Basta pag ABM ba gwapo?
Alam po, sa kaso natin.
Oh my God.
So cytoplasm acts like water itself, most of its shape in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. And it's the one filling the membrane. It also is the one responsible for protecting the cell other than the cell wall. So there's also that.
Oh my God. At least hindi na ako question inis ng marami te.
Wherein the organelles are so it's responsible. The cell signaling is one
Diyan na ako magpahinga.
the primary work of
Akala ko talaga, te. Akala ko, kasi naalala mo yung English, te. Natrauma talaga ako doon, bading.
Kaya,
So every time natatanungin ako, te, naaano ako.
Ano follow-up questions?
Nakakainis kasi. Hindi ko alam na ano ba sila, nai-intimidate ba si Miss? Kaya ako tinanong. Kasi 'di ba yung sagot ko te English, full English, bading.
uh,
Kaya feeling ko na-intimidate si Miss. Feeling ko na-intimidate siya, te. Okay, dinagdagan yung questions. Tang ina.
okay, thank you. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. May tanong ako ngayon. What cell organelles, Reyna, dun sa mga athlete natin, what cell organelles do athletes need more and why?
Do athletes?
Kung athlete ka, anong cell organelles ang kailangan marami
Um,
at bakit?
huh?
Ngayon, ayan.
Athlete. Ano bang pinaka dapat marami sa cells?
Energy. Dapat ano yung may energy? Anong part na?
Why? Why mitochondria?
Kasi yan yung powerhouse ng ano, cell. Ang mitochondria.
Ah. Paano pag wala kang mitochondria?
Can you predict
Kaya, explain.
I'm not sure, but it's my since they're the powerhouse of the
Oy,
cell.
pwede na kami mag-dress to impress.
Tara! Tara! Tara!
what can you
Putang ina.
where can
Baka
you
mo
see?
lang
Wait lang, may klase
marinig.
pa ba tayo, Sarah? May klase pa ba tayo, be?
I can't hear you,
Anong
babe.
oras?
Ikaw yung
Anong
hindi ko
oras?
marinig. Wait lang.
Actually,
Ano, bilis? Ano to? Di tayo bibigyan ng oras
Tara!
na
Let's
mag-isip?
impress tayo!
Hindi pala kami pwede.
allowing athletes to
May class pa kami.
sustain prolonged physical activity.
Tang ina.
Regular exercise.
Ay, wait. Kasama siya dun, di ba? Kasama ba siya dun? Ah, wala po. Calculus.
Recalculus.
The number
Kaya
and
malamang ako STEM kayo, Humes ako.
there's more mitochondria.
Mahilig ka kasi magsalita eh. Tang ina mo.
Greater energy production
At least madali buhay ko.
and faster recovery from
Good luck mag-defend ng mga
Oh,
taong
sakit
hindi
sa
naman
ulo.
deserve i-defend.
what do you need to do for you to have more mitochondria in your muscle?
Saya-saya namin dito. Walo lang kami.
You need
Putang
to
ina.
have a well-balanced diet that is rich in protein, in vitamins, and minerals. Electrolytes will also do, and coenzymes, specifically
Puta ate. Wag mo nang pakita ate. Sumasakit mata ko. Sakit sa mata.
Yan. Yung mga athletes natin, yes. Mitochondria for recovery, faster recovery from intense workout. So kung lagi
Sino pang teacher natin dyan? Be?
very stressful,
Ah,
fueling your body with protein-rich food, vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, and coenzyme Q10 will actually